Assalamu alaikum student mathematics 4024 welcome to maths guru student this is a question on coordinate geometry. The exercise is 6a, the book is D3. In this question we are using the 2 point formula, that is m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is question number 9 of exercise 6a. In this question we have to find the gradient of four sides of a square, and in the second part, we have to answer a question: what do you observe about the gradients of the opposite sides of a square? So, since I have to find the gradients of all the four sides, so I just need to use the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the formula which I am going to use. I have already solved the question. Let's just look at the solution of this question. First of all, I am finding out the gradient of side AB, and since A is my first point, so I have labeled this point as x1 and y1. B is the second point, so x2 and y2. M is equals to y2 minus y1. The value of y2 is 1. 1 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 0. 1 minus 6 is minus 5 and 2 minus 0 is 2. So the gradient of line AB is coming out as minus 5 upon 2, or you can also write it as minus 2.5 in decimal. And the next side is BC. Again, point B is the first point, so this is x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. Again, I'm using the same formula. What is the value of y2? The y2 value is 3. So 3 minus 1 in the numerator and 7 minus 2 in the denominator. 3 minus 1 will give me 2 and 7 minus 2 will give me 5. So positive 2 upon 5 is the gradient of line BC. The third side is CD. Since C is the first point, so x1, y1. D is the second point, x2, y2. The formula is again the same. The value of y2 is 8, so 8 minus 3 in the numerator, 5 minus 7 in the denominator. 8 minus 3 gives me 5, and 5 minus 7 is minus 2. And you know that we can write the a negative sign in the middle, just like this. So the gradient of line CD is coming out as minus 5 upon 2. So let's just move on to the last side, that is DA. Again, D is the first point, so x1, y1. A is the second point, x2, y2. And y2 minus y1 means the value of y2 is 6. So 6 minus 8 in the numerator divided by 0 minus 5 in the numerator. 6 minus 8 will give me minus 2, and 0 minus 5 will give me minus 5. This minus and this minus will be cancelled out, and the gradient of the last side, that is dA, is coming out as positive 2 upon 5. So these were the four gradients of the sides of a square, and since I know that in square the opposite sides, since it is a square, so all the sides will be equal. And if I can look upon the gradients of all the four sides, I can see that the opposite sides have same gradients. This is side AB, and this is side DC, which is opposite to each other. And I can see that the gradient of AB and CD is coming out as same, and the gradient of BC and DA is also the same. So I can write the answer of part 2 as the gradients of the opposite sides of a square are equal, as I have calculated all the four gradients, and the answers are clearly showing that the opposite sides have same gradients.